Oh my gosh, here goes the barrel. Oh my god. Oh god! Ah! Yo, that cop was almost about to be hurt, bruh. Woo! Woo! Alright, what is up with y'all? It is Darian2reacts back again with another reaction video. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna react to Insane Car Crash Compilation 2023. Ultimate idiots in cars that just crash into each other. So this is an insane video. So here we go. Let's get it. Oh my gosh. Slow down. My goodness. My goodness. I guess. Oh my gosh. Like, this is why you need to slow down, but the other person just tried to intervene. So like, this is literally what happened. What the hell? Hell no. What in the world? This guy tried to drive up the truck? Like, what? Why did he think he was gonna like make it? Like, oh my. Well, there goes that happen. Oh my goodness grief, bruh. There's like so many cars passing by. And they're like so close. Oh no. Oh no, not the school bus. Oh my gosh. This is what happens. You gotta, you know what I mean? You gotta pay attention when you're driving. And look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Like, how many? 4 fender benders? Golly. Oh my gosh. Here goes the barrel. Oh God. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. What is this? They didn't see that? Like, why isn't the steering wheel on this side, not the other way? I don't know if he was texting or driving, but what is you doing? Like, oh no, there was a pedestrian. There was a pedestrian right over there. That was close now. That was close. Oh my God. What have these people be doing though? Like when they driving, like they just keep on driving, like they're not like alert or anything. Like, I mean, I know accidents happen, but like you gotta be very, very, very careful. Hold on, NASCAR. Hold on, NASCAR. Hold on, NASCAR driver. Relax. I think you need to go slow or something bad gonna happen. Look at this. Look at this. That noise though. What the heck? Oh my God. He broke the sign. Oh my goodness. Yo, what the heck? They all jumped out of the car too, like. Yo, like I said, please do not drink and drive. Please do not drink and drive. They out here going like it's Fast Furious, like. Oh my God. See, this is what happens. You go so fast. Bro, did he broke the pole light? Like, nah, this not right though. You was going too fast. Like, nope. And this is like the neighborhood area. Like, what? I'm telling you, this is insane. This is so insane. Oh no. Oh no. Is that the ice cream truck? No, not the ice cream truck. Bruh. Oh my gosh. Look at the back of the car. It's like torn up, all right. Like, please slow down. Please slow down. Oh my goodness, bro. Why did he try to go in front of the other car? Like, you see this car speeding, like. What? 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 He's still gonna go fast? Like, oh my God. I don't think there's enough stop signs around here. You feel me? Oh, bro, it's a truck. Look at the truck. Oh my. Yeah, Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, you gotta go slow when you're driving trucks. Like, you know what I mean? Damn. Oh, no. There was a cop talking to another vehicle. Someone in the vehicle. Oh, God! Ah! Yo, that cop was almost about to be hurt, bruh. What in the world? Oh, my God, a motorcycler. Oh, my God. Let's drive right in the cones. What the heck? Is he trying to kick the car? What the heck? This got to be the most angry kid I've ever seen right now. Bro, why is this guy so mad? Like, what happened? Oh my gosh. This girl better be careful. I swear, this girl better be careful. Doing all these tricks. You better be careful, girl. Like, you better be driving correctly. It's cool that she's doing these tricks, but I don't know about that one, but you gotta be careful. Nah, she been practicing. I don't know how she do it, but bro, oh my gosh, oh my God. He's still gonna keep going like, oh yeah, there's someone else coming out of the car. Let me just keep driving. Let me just press the gas pedal. Let's just keep going. That's a great idea. Nah, someone in the car gotta be drunk. Like, somebody gotta be drinking too much last night. Ain't no way you're gonna let this. Ain't no way you're just gonna just keep pressing the gas while he getting out of the car. Like, you know what I mean? No, you got some people that be drinking way too much. I be drinking too much for sure. Anyway, y'all, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys go hit the like button, share, comment, subscribe for more. Peace out, y'all. 500 wait.